Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So for today's video, I'm going to try out some of the Sugar Cosmetics products. This I have got from my own money. I have bought them. I discovered about them recently, like in 2019. They have got this lipstick sets. Those are like the mini lipstick sets. So those were very cute. Last year I ordered them. So I had just 4 lipsticks of theirs. So after that, like this year, their products got really famous. Therefore, I went ahead and ordered their eyeshadow palette. They're one of the eyeshadow palette. The cosmetic comes in such kind of packaging. So this is a Ziploc packet. So I received all the products in 2 such packages. And I feel these covers are really fancy and this comes in handy. I don't know, I like them. I'll be keeping them for my further use. So this is what the packaging looks like. It was inside this. I took it out. So this is the palette. This is their Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 01 Flawless. So this is how the palette looks. That is it. Let me clarify myself. So for today's video, we are going to speak about the products. So I'll tell you what I feel about the products personally, if they're worth the money or not. Actually, I'll tell you something very honestly. I feel the products are a bit overpriced. This eyeshadow palette has costed me like 1,100 rupees. So, and also, I only have 8 shades here, and the palette costed me 1,100 rupees, if I'm not wrong. But still, I'll recheck and I'll mention the price again in the description box. So this was the eyeshadow palette. We'll be checking out some more things. So my second product is also, this is basically a sugar haul. I got couple of things from them. Like I got 6 products in total from them. Now this is another eye product. So this is the Eye and Shine Shadow Crayon in 09 Topaz Twinkle. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. Okay, so this is the thing. And this is the color. It's actually quite light. The pigmentation is fine though. It's quite light. It's because of my skin is pale too. So you won't be able to see it clearly, but the pigmentation is nice. So let's go ahead and see how much product do I get. So it's this much of product for I think 400 rupees, but this is the product. I think the size is okay. I'll take it for like 300-400 bucks. So next is this brow product. It's their Arch Arrival Brow Definer in 03 Woody Scooby. So this is how the product looks like. So this comes with a spoolie and the other end has the product. So this is the product. I'll show you a little swatch. This won't come off in my hand properly, of course, because it's not meant to use upon the skin whatsoever. We'll be trying this. Now moving on to my next face makeup product, that is this. This is their contour stick. This is their face forward contour stick in 01 Found First. So this is how the product looks like. This is the product. If I open this, first of all, let me tell you one thing. The first day when I received the product, I tried opening this, like while using. Before I made this video, I used it like for once or twice. The first time I tried opening it, I was literally struggling to get the product out. I tried really hard to, twist and get the product out, but I don't know if it's just with this product, like mine, it came a bit faulty, or the rest products, like the rest twist products are the same. I don't know, but my product came as such. Like I'm trying to twist. I was trying to twist and it was not coming out, but whatsoever, now it is. Now again, only this much of product for 800 or 900. Again, I'll put down the price somewhere on the screen, you'll get it. For 800 or 900 rupees, I'm getting this stick. I'm not pretty impressed with the size, but let's check out on the quality. So again, yeah, so yes, this was my another problem. I'm literally rolling it, but the product is not ready to get inside. So this was my issue with the product I faced. Rest, we'll check out the pigmentation and everything. So now the rest two products are lippies. Fancy word, right? The first one is this Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss in 01 Penelope Peach Stop. This is how the packaging is. Quite sturdy, quite nice, quite classy again. This is the Time to Shine lip gloss. I literally forgot about this one's price. I'll mention it on the screen again. And the last product, my last lipstick, it's their Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 17 Brandy Harrington. So this is what, so you have got this, you know, the color coded thing here, so that you can find out without opening the cap that what color it is. Like you can just check out on your colors if you're having more than one. I have got one. I've not tried this lipstick though. It's very pigmented. It was just one swipe and it was very pigmented. I'm good with the product. Again, this is for 899 or 799. The eyeshadow palette was a bit too much, and the contour stick, I don't like those prices. So now I'll be using them one after another on my face. First, let's start with eyebrows. So I'll quickly just carve out my brows with the help of a concealer. So this is how my eyebrows look. So that was it. You can see it for yourself. The brow product works perfectly fine. So I'm done with my brows, and now I'll be moving ahead towards contouring. And I love this part a lot. So I was excited about this product. I am excited still because I don't own any contour stick, but the product size is really disappointing. Also, let me tell you this product is freaking pigmented. So I'm using little by little because I'm a bit skeptical about this. It's very pigmented. So I'll try to blend it. I usually do this cuts very high because that way the face looks more chiseled. I like doing the contours very high, like literally you can see it's very high, but I like it that way. And it blends out pretty nicely, I feel. It's quite good. I'm anyways very bad at nose contouring, but with the help of sticks, like the stick contour, I feel I can do something. So I'm done. I hope I'm not looking like a clown. So this is how the contour looks like. I'm pretty impressed with the results. I love the kind of warmth it gives to my face. I'm really happy with it. So now I did not purchase, that was it about the contour. So now I did not purchase any blush products from them. So that's why I'll be using Faces Canada blush in the shade Cocktail Peach 404. So I'll be applying my blush with the same brush. That way I feel it gives a more natural finish rather leaving me looking like a joker with too much of blush. I don't want that, but I love that look anyways. I love that look, but I don't want it now. My contour is looking fine today, so I don't want to do that to my skin. I like to take it all the way up. We're done with the blush as well. So I'll quickly powder my upper lid using some Fit Me loose powder. I've already concealed my upper lids while I was doing my base off camera because I did not have any product to show you guys for that. So let's start off with the eye makeup. So the packaging is like this. You get a mirror also, which is very good. First of all, let me tell you, we have got only 3 matte shades in the palette and the rest 5 shades are not matte. Those are like shimmer shadows. So this and this is a very light transition shade, a very light brown color, very pretty shade. Let's try earthy orange. It's quite pigmented actually. I took very little product. It's I don't feel like touching them. I don't know. It's my obsession with new products. I don't know why. I just don't feel like touching them, you know, and spoiling them. I just hope there is not a massive fallout because I'm done completely. I'm done with my base and my face, and I don't want to redo it. Literally, I don't want to. So first of all, I'm taking the shade Cream and packing it onto my crease line and a bit above. So after this is done, I'm going to take this earthy orange shade, this burnt kind of orange shade, using a fluffy brush. I'll be blending the two color properly. All over my eyes, and that is it. I'm not going to do any crazy cut crease because I am not a pro expert in that, but I'm literally very tempted to try either of this or this shade of theirs, which is the bronze gold and the copper shade. I'm again confused which one should I use. I feel like going with the copper one. Let's try the copper, and I'll be using my fingers for that because I feel that way the pigmentation comes out real nice. What I'll be trying to do is I'll be putting some fixing spray onto my brush and then trying to pick up the pigment because with my hands I'm not able to. So yes, this is what the eye look is looking like, if that makes any sense, but I'm literally liking it. I'll just quickly do this eyes off camera and we'll be right back. So I am back after completing both of my eyes. Now this this shadow crayon. I'll be using this to waterline my eyes. Just the low one, of course. I literally like the finish of this crayon in my waterline. It just opens up my eyes more. I'll just quickly put on some mascara and do my lower lash line and be right back. So I'm back after coating my lashes with mascara. So this is the final result. So I'll take a small brush and take the shade Champagne Gold and put it in my inner corners. Also, I'm using the same shade to highlight my brow bone. I'm actually loving the eye look. So here comes our lipstick. I don't want to apply this one. I really don't want to apply this lipstick because the color won't go with... I'm sorry. That's the crayon pencil. So I won't be applying this lipstick because the color won't go with my eye look. I'll simply apply something nude. And I'll be applying this gloss upon my Maybelline lipstick in the shade 650 Nude Embrace. It's from the range Creamy Matte. Also, I'll apply some Clay Crush upon that. I'll pop up some gloss as well. So I even love the gloss, but I forgot the price again. I'll mention it down so that you can decide it for yourself if it's expensive or not whatsoever. Overall, I feel sugar products are a bit expensive as compared to their size, but the quality is super fine. So yes, this was what I felt about their products and you could see how it works, right? I feel all the product qualities are fine, but the prices are a bit too high, but we'll work with it as because the quality is very good. So finally, I would like to show you once more. This is what my eye looks like. This was a small sugar haul and review and try on video. So that was it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button and all the good things, as in like the bell button, and click the like button as well. Comment anything, whatever you want. Tell me what are your favorite products, which brand do you like, or anything. Let me know about yourself. Let's connect. You can find all my social handles in the description box. Do not forget to check that out. And also please share my channel with your friends and relatives, as because my channel isn't growing at all. I would appreciate that if you could do that for me. Like, my views and everything is very low and I try to make good content, but I don't know if you guys like it or not. So please let me know in the comment section below what more would you like to see, what else can I make so that you guys would like watching my content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.